Okay.
The other side. Oh no! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Team Zulueta! Alright guys, so we're gonna do our first unboxing video. We've got this gadget from our post Father's Day special occasion together with our household in CFC. And shout out to the Limbo household of CFC Melbourne Southeast. Say hi, Heaven.
Hello, 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 hello.
Alright, so now let's get to it, guys. Give me my gadget. Oh, this is it. This is the DJI OM4. This is the upgraded version of the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. This is for mobile phones, and yeah, it stabilizes like the DJI Ronin or DJI Ronin SC. So let's get to it, guys. Let me get my trusty blade. Points. All right, now let's see what's inside. So you have this box which has the magnets and the carry bag and the strap. So you've got the, what do you call this, the guide to put on your magnet on your mobile phones. You've got the tripod stand and user manuals and stuff. You've got the USB-C cable, that's the charger, and you've got the phone clamp, which has a magnet at the back. And now we've got the OM4. Ooh. So it clamps like this, anak. Look, hold this one. Hold that. Ooh. Wow. See? All right. That's nice. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the DJI OM4. But wait, there's more!
The second unboxing!
Yes, so let's get to it, guys. So this second unboxing that we're gonna do is a gift from my loving wife. Aww. His mom, of course. And it was a late delivery, so it doesn't matter as long as it has arrived. So now, let's unbox it.
Oh no!
So you can't see me, you can't see us anymore because it's a big box. And as you can see,
What is this? Wow! The KitchenAid! KitchenAid. Let's see. Dati, lagyan niyo po ng health sa part na ito.
so it is the
KitchenAid!
Artisan 4.8L mixer.
It's
You guys might be wondering why my wife gave me this KitchenAid mixer. It's because my mom is a baker. So it's in the blood, and she inspired me to also bake and to make bread and cakes for my family. That's her part-time job. and she works full-time at the bank. And yeah, her baking got us through college, university, and yeah, helped us finish studying. Shout out to you, Mama Norma Zulueta. Be safe, and we love you.
Love you, Lola Norma. Ooh. Wow.
All right.
Look at this.
Wow. I'm gonna put it here. All right, so this is just a accessory brochure, and this is the menu for tomorrow. All right. Whew.
Oh, look, it's so big.
It's so big. All right, help me out, Heaven. Push the box. Push the box. Push the box.
Oh.
Alright, hold the alright, put the other side.
Okay.
The other side, put the other side here. Okay, pull the other side. Okay. It's a good thing this is not pink. It's for me only. For me to use only. Alright, so here you go. That's the mixer itself. That's the beater. This is the dough hook, and inside, if I can get this open, inside is the whisk. That's the whisk.
What is this? A charger?
This is the plug, and of course this is the bowl. That's the head, and you can attach attachments on this nose.
Daddy, we
Oh.
love you.
This is also the splatter guard, I think, where you can put food in this, like so. So I really like the color of it. It's a metallic finish. Build quality is really sturdy. And oh, look!
You forgot it.
What's this? It's an engraving, personalized engraving from my wife. So it says, "Aljo's Kitchen, we love you." Yay! Thank you, mommy, for this wonderful gift. I love you so much. So guys, I'm really excited to use this KitchenAid, and it is a really wonderful gift from my wife. I didn't really expect how the Father's Day day would end, but it was a really memorable and one of the most happiest days of my life because of course, as you can see from the previous video, her effort in really giving me the best Father's Day ever was top-notch. It was heartfelt, and you can feel all the love that she has for me. Just remember, I love you, I adore you, and I will treasure this memory for as long as I live. And you know that I love you so much. And yeah, that's it. So I can't wait to use this. Alright, Heaven? So are you ready to use it? Alright guys, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button below. And remember to ring the bell so that you get all the notifications for future videos. So, here again is Tim Zoleta. See you at the next video. Peace!